Hello guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to be a pro in CapCut. If you want to know how it's done in this video, it's for you. So we can actually utilize these tools that CapCut offers, such as this AutoCut, product photos, AI effects, as well as this text to image, remove background, and all of these things right here. So if you want to be a pro in CapCut, it actually takes time. You can head over to your project that you have created, and then in here you can see some tools that you can actually use in order to actually edit this particular clip. When you click on a clip, there's actually new tools that you can choose from for this one. So for example, for this, let's make an animation. So you can choose a lot of animations right here. There's a lot in here that you can choose from as well. So you can choose anything that you have right here, and you can utilize all the apps that you can see right here. You can also add in here some stickers that you can choose from for this one. So for example, let's try to choose some stickers right here, and then what you can do is you can just head over and learn it all again on your tools that you can actually see on the CapCut right here. Once you've learned on your tools that you have on CapCut, you will be a pro on this particular editor. So click on this export right here in order to export your progress. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.